look at this. It's another one of these really old Fasco exhaust fans, but it has a impeller, as you can see. That would be in a basic fan. It's not doing so good either, but it still is at least working. It's a really cool looking fan. And there's the vent, so let's go ahead and turn it on. It's nice and quiet, so. It's really cool. It's very quiet because, as you can see, that power motor. Then all the way up there is the output. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. At least the component works on it. It's a really rare exhaust fan nowadays because of how old these things are. This is the light, by the way. It's a new light panel. Let me go ahead and turn it back on. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.